we do that and the horse hasn't had a chance to eat and restore its natural protective mechanisms, we're going to increase the risk of squamous disease. The other thing that's really important is our timing of exercise. So remember, we looked at our horses' eating behavior overnight. Those horses naturally overnight don't eat much. They naturally fast, they naturally rest and sleep. What that means is that roughage ball in the stomach disappears. And if we exercise those horses with no roughage ball, we're going to get a lot of acid splash, and that acid's going to splash around. When do we see this? The poster children for this are racehorses that exercise first thing in the morning. The other time we see it is, say, Florida, Texas, Queensland in the middle of summer. I grew up in Victoria, northeast Victoria in the middle of summer, basically anywhere in Australia in the middle of summer. We want to ride first thing in the morning because it's cool. It's nicer for us and nicer for the horse. But if we do that and the horse hasn't had a chance to eat and restore its natural protective mechanisms, we're going to increase the risk of squamous disease. So what we need to do is make sure we break that overnight fast. Alfalfa can be very powerful for this. Get it in, get that roughage, get that chewing. A flake or biscuit of alfalfa is going to make a big difference. And that's what we're looking at here on the right is a pH trace of a horse's stomach where it's sitting there at a low pH of about 2. And that's just food that's doing that peak. It's not, this horse is not getting drugs. That's just the impact of eating a meal of hay twice a day and grain twice a day. These horses have been fed like race horses. So if we exercise that horse after we've fed it, particularly after we've fed it hay, there's no acid in the stomach to splash around, then we're going to reduce our risk of squamous disease.